Hello there. Welcome back to Food to Relish, aka Real Nigga Kotoguto. Guys, look at what you're looking at. These are not mangoes. They are called okpa. Whenever I've carried this to work, everybody thought I came to work with mangoes, but they are called okpa. Okpa is a delicacy eaten in the eastern part of Nigeria, and I'm going to show you how to make them shortly. Okay, so a few ingredients you need. You need a bowl, obviously, for the mixing, and you need the elephant in the room, which is the okpa. You need some um, containers to tie your okpa, and you need red bell pepper. You also need some salt and seasoning cubes. Now you also need your measuring cup, and you also need your measuring cup, the jugs for your water. And then you need original fresh palm oil, okay, unadulterated ones, yes, and you need some onions. So guys, initially I'm going to be showing you how I wrap the foil. I think I'm going to make a dedicated video on how to wrap your moi moi foil. So this foil is used when you're making moi moi or other meals. It's a very healthy option compared to plastic. So I'm going to wrap it and I set it aside, and then I'm going to prepare the plastic papers, okay. Get them ready for my okpa. See, the reason I'm tying it at the edges is just so it looks round when I'm tying it, so it gets that shape that I used to know when I was a child. When you buy it from the market, the way the okpa looks is because they tie the tips so that they're all rounded like that. Now what you're looking at is a bag. I just disintegrate the strands of the bag and I use it as a tie. If you don't have it, guys, look at what I used to improvise in this country. I get these and I use my scissors because it's very tight. It's dental floss and it does the job perfectly, even better than the ropes. Now, if children are going to be eating the okpa with you, you don't want it to be very hot, so you turn down the pepper. When I'm making my okpa, guys, I don't have to measure, because I already know the consistency that I need. But because a lot of people have asked me to make this video, a lot of people always find out that their okpa goes wrong. They've asked me to make this video to show them what the consistency should look like. So I'm measuring out 5 cups of flour, and make sure that you level out the cup, because Nigerians, they're very generous, so they don't level out that cup. But standard 1 cup is what I'm showing you. So 5 cups, and you need 1,125 mils of water. So I have to actually keep measuring and keep just to get this quantity and to tell you. And if you do this exactly, you're not going to go wrong. So 1,125 mils of either lukewarm water or cold water. Now I've blended the spices that I need, and I'm going to be introducing the oil right now. So as the oil goes in, guys, let me tell you something about okpa. There are different tales, different stories about okpa. Don't add this to your okpa, don't add that to your okpa, don't add this to your okpa. Now, let me tell you something. The Insuka people will always say, you don't add onions, you don't add this, you don't add that. And they're probably right. Many people will say, you don't use hot water to turn your okpa. You don't, but guys, I've told you that cooking is dynamic, and I've done all of these, and I think I still love it the way it looks. Sometimes I use crayfish, because some people in my family love crayfish, and sometimes I use uziza. If you add uziza, you shouldn't add onions. And you can totally cook your okpa without onions as well. Now, look at what the consistency should look like. You see that? I'm going to show you the complete ingredients. It's in the description below, and it's popping up in the screen as well. Now I begin to tie the okpa. You see? It has that beautiful shape. And the tying is another art. Give it several turns and then slide it through the finger and give it a knot. So with 1 plastic bag, I'm going to be getting 3 portions of okpa, The other big trick, apart from the consistency, the other big tip, why your okpa has the firm part and the runny part is that some people steam okpa. You don't steam okpa, okay? You don't steam okpa. You boil it and you put it in the hot water immediately so that it doesn't settle, and you turn it a little before it completely forms a cake. And I've used this foil because some people are very particular about their health and they don't want unhealthy options of plastic bags. But guys, let me tell you, I've used Ziploc bags, and all Ziploc bags in the UK right now are BPA free. So if you're having the health anxiety of using plastic bags, please use Ziploc bags, and they do the job very well. In the days when gas cookers were not as hot and evolved as they are right now, I would say cook your okpa for 45 minutes. But right now, I say 30 to 45 minutes should be okay to boil your okpa. Okay? And now, guys, I think the okpa is ready. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, I don't have to boast. If you've had my okpa before, you know that it's always nice. You know, I don't really have to boast about it. But if you're watching this video up to this level, I think you should like and subscribe. And I think you should share, guys, please. The big thing for me is sharing. Try to share my videos so that people will see my hard work, you know. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. And guys, I'm not even joking. If you can smell this kitchen right now, it smells really amazing. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like. If I cut this up, it looks like the banana leaves one. And I think that banana leaf one is the healthiest option. I think so. Look at how beautiful. I cut it into two, and it's time for me to start relishing my meals. You know I love to relish my meals. And guys, click the like button, share and subscribe. I love to enjoy my okpa with some yogurt and anything I find. You know they say wawa bojo, I would say I'm a proud wawa girl, and I eat my okpa with anything I like, such as my tea, such as my juice and my yogurt. I'll see you in my next video. Tell me what you'd like me to make and tell me how you like to make your okpa. Thank you and bye.